everybody, welcome to my another installment of Celine embarrasses herself on social media and makes YouTube videos. So anyway, I've been gone for quite long. Sorry, I went to La Bottega last night, so my voice is like gone. But yeah, welcome back guys, if you are watching this again, that is. Anyway, so I've been working non-stop, not on anything cool, like I'm not famous. I've literally just been like actually working on the real world. So yeah, that's been happening. Payday comes, it's gonna be over for you guys. Like I'm gonna be buying new stuff like it's flipping my birthday. Anyway, how pretty are my flowers? So my beautiful boyfriend decided to spoil me on Valentine's Day, and then a couple of days later get me flipping flowers. How cute. Look at these. They smell so good, and a flipping orchid. I cried like a baby. If you know me, then you know that like that doesn't take a lot to make me cry. But anyway, so today, this morning, I woke up extra early to make a video because surprisingly people have actually been asking me about it, which I never thought would happen. I was like, oh, I can just like not make any more, like no one will really care. But the girl's got fans, and yes, it's you, mom. Sorry, I think I'm so funny, honestly. I'm just gonna do my everyday makeup, but not my like go-to natural makeup, because that's like just like a bit of concealer and like whatnot. This is like full face, but like still trying to look natural. Everyday makeup. Please look at my hair, you will actually die. Okay, wait up. I look like that guy from Dragon Ball Z. I'm gonna start with some moisturizer. So this is my favorite moisturizer in the whole world. My mom gets it for me from Nasna. Well, like she gets it for herself and then buys me some as well. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. A spoolie brush first and brush them up. I don't know why when I go out I like to shout so much, honestly. I'm that sticky in the front that's like, yes! So I use the Essence eyebrow gel. So when I do my brows for work, I still like to do them bushy and stuff, but I don't fill them in like as intensely. So now I'm going to put on some primer. Going into my color corrector because the bags under my eyes at the moment are insane. It doesn't look bad because the lighting is really good, but phew. Going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus and the L'Oreal. I'm science. I am science. I am science. Oh, now the science girl. But can we just talk about how amazing this combination is for foundation? Okay, I'm gonna use the Fit Me Maybelline. Okay, now I'm going to contour. And I'm using my Kryolan palette and I'm using this shade, I don't know what it's called. So I'm gonna take my translucent powder, Revlon Color Stay. I know it says test on it, I didn't steal it. My mom works at a pharmacy and I get tested sometimes, okay? I just realized I'm not using Fair. I mean, I'm not using translucent, I'm using the one in Fair. Great. The reason I also put so much powder on is because Cape Town, if you don't live here, is approximately 100 degrees every single day at the moment. Now I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to dip into, this is so gross, I'm sorry. And this is what I set under my eyes to get those bags literally gone. Take this brush, it's like kind of roundish, I don't know, dip into my contour shade. Now I'm going to take my bronzing brush that's broken, I know, and dip it into my bronzer. I'm going to do some hectic highlights today because I'm in the mood for it. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia palette in Crushed Pearl. I forgot to do this. I'm going to take this brush, it's like kind of flattish. You can see contour shade just to enhance my nose contour. Now I'm gonna set my brows down with some Essence Lash and Brow Gel. I like to do my brows very bushed up. I'm gonna go in with my Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set Refresh. I'm going in with my Smashbox Primer Water. So what I did is I added I had this other glow spray stuff from Essence, but the spray actually kept leaving dots on my face. So I poured some of that into my Essence Primer Water and that's why it looks so glowy. But yeah, I'm gonna spray that all over too. Red lipstick for work, because why not? Now I go in with Revlon something, the Revlon Ultra HD lipstick in Poinsettia. I'm going to do my Essence Lash Principal. And then I go in with my Smashbox Indecent Exposure mascara. So I want to give you a close-up look. So yeah, this is my everyday work makeup. Thank you so much if you watched this entire thing. Sorry that I haven't been making videos as regularly as I was in the very beginning, but I'm going to try my hardest to get up every day in the mornings a bit earlier.